Hi, it's Preston Hillary.
And we're going to watch the Two Girls, One Cup video to get a reaction because we've never seen it before.
And it's our first time.
I'm scared.
Okay, let's go. Oh my god.
What the heck?
Ew. That's nasty. Oh my god, I'm gonna clip. Oh my god! I can't believe. God, I want to throw up.
Oh my god!
Ew, that was so nasty.